The first batch of Russia's Sputnik V vaccine arrived in Hyderabad today. Sputnik V is the third vaccine to be used in India after Covishield and Covaxin. The coronavirus cases in the country hit a grim global record today with 401,993 fresh infections in the last 24 hours and 3,523 deaths reported. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs (CBIC) in a tweet said that Hyderabad Customs expedited the clearance of the COVID-19 vaccine imported from Russia. The third phase of the world's largest vaccination drive started today, even as several states have flagged a shortage of the COVID vaccine. First batch of Sputnik V vaccine arrives in Hyderabad, India. That's the same day the country starts mass COVID-19 vaccination drive covering its entire adult population. Let's jointly defeat this pandemic. Together we are stronger, tweeted Sputnik V, the world's first registered COVID-19 vaccine. The COVID lockdown in Delhi, due to end at 5 a.m. on Monday, has been extended by another week, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal tweeted this evening. The national capital has been under lockdown since April 19th as the ruling Aam Aadmi Party scrambled to contain a fresh wave of infections and a positivity rate that remains over 30%. Lockdown in Delhi is being extended by 1 week, Arvind Kejriwal tweeted. This is the second extension of the lockdown in the national capital. Last Sunday, while announcing the first lockdown, the Chief Minister said coronavirus still continues to wreak havoc in the city. Public opinion is lockdown should increase, so it is being extended for 1 week, he had said. Delhi recorded over 27,000 new COVID-19 cases and 375 deaths in the last 24 hours. The 13th straight day with more than 20,000 cases per day. Delhi's active caseload is now nearly 1 lakh, more than double the previous high of around 44,000 recorded in mid-November last year. With COVID-19 cases on the increase, Tripura Board of Secondary Education (TBSE) has postponed the Class 10 and 12 examinations. This news has been confirmed by Tripura Higher and Secondary Education Minister Ratanlal Nath. Nath had urged the candidates to get prepared for the examinations, which will be held after the situation becomes fruitful. As per decision of the TBSE, the board examinations of Class 10 and 12 has been postponed for the time being until further notice. My message to all the students to be prepared for the examination, as when the situation will be fruitful, the examination will be conducted, Minister Nath tweeted. Coronavirus cases in India hit a record daily high with over 4 lakh new infections being reported in the last 24 hours. The active cases crossed the 32 lakh mark according to the Union Health Ministry. The infection tally rose to 1,91,64,969 with 4,01,993 new cases reported in the last 24 hours, while the death toll increased to 2,11,853 with 3,523 daily new fatalities. The data updated this morning reflected these numbers. Registering a steady increase, the active cases have increased to 32,68,710, accounting for 17.06% of the total infections. The national COVID-19 recovery rate has further dropped to 81.84%. The number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to 1,56,84,406, while the case fatality rate stands at 1.11%, the data stated.